Hello everyone, in this video I want to share with you how to build a mobile banking website using this robust mobile banking website script that I have right here with me. Okay, so I already have the script installed on one of my web servers, and I'm just going to first of all show you how it works, and then at the end of the video I'll show you how to install this script in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so before I continue with the video, I would love to give a quick disclaimer. This video is only for educational purposes. Should you use knowledge gotten from this video for illegal or harmful purposes, you will bear full responsibilities for your actions. Okay, so with that said, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question as well, leave it in the comment section below. And if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe before leaving, and also turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. So right here with me, I have the home page of the website. As you can see, it's very much detailed and precise as well. You can see that. So if you get the script, you can go through the website however you want. Okay, so right here I have the home page, and in the next tab I have the admin dashboard logged in already. Okay, so I just don't want to waste time in this video. I want it to be as fast as possible. So I'm just going to go ahead and log into one of the accounts I have right here. By the way, all these are demo accounts, they are not real accounts. Okay, so I'm just going to click login to log into one of the accounts I have. All right, I'm logged into the account, and as you can see, with this script, if you build a backend website with this script, you're going to have two types of account. Okay, whenever someone signs up on your website, they are going to have two types of accounts automatically. Okay, and the first one here is the savings account, and the next one is the checking account. Okay, you can see that right here, and then this is the balance for the savings as well as the check-ins as well, and both of them has two different account numbers. Okay, it's not like they have the same account numbers, they have two different account numbers. Okay, so you can see this is what the user interface looks like on desktop and computer, and this is what it looks like on mobile. It's very much mobile responsive. Okay, as you can see that. Yeah, so let's go back to desktop view. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and test with a transaction. Okay, so this right here is also the admin dashboard, and it's as well mobile responsive. Then okay, let me just go ahead and then test out with the transaction before I go ahead and show you some few things from the admin dashboard. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this. By the way, this is the user dashboard, this is the user account. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on wire transfer. Okay, so I'm just gonna select maybe the savings account. Okay, that is the account I have some funds in, so I'm just going to select that, and then the amount, let's just see, I want to send 500 bucks. Okay, choose the receiver and then the account number, whatever, the bank, Chase. So these are just auto filled. So this pin is the pin I set while creating this account, more like a transaction pin. Okay, so bank address, that's optional. Remark, so I'm just gonna say thanks, whatever. So click proceed. Okay, so the bar is rolling, and you can see right here is requesting for a COT code. You can see that. Insert your COT code to continue. So I'm going to go back to the admin dashboard to find the COT code for that particular user. Okay, right here, this is the admin home page. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the plus sign. This right here is the account. I'm going to click on the plus sign and click on manage. Okay, I'm logged out already, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in again quickly.
Shot.
Okay, So it took me directly to the user dashboard. So let me just go back and so you don't miss your steps. Okay, so this is the user. I'm going to click on this plus sign and click on manage. So when I do that, you're going to see this is the user image. So any image you upload while creating the account, the image is going to appear here as well. So I'm just going to copy the COT code for this user. I'm going to paste that right here. Click on continue. So for the second time, it's going to request for another code called the tax code. So I'll go back and I'll copy the tax code right here. And right now, only the admin can see all these codes. So I'm going to paste that and click on continue. All right, now the last one is requesting for is the IMF code. Okay, so I'm going to copy the IMF code as well and I'll paste that right there. Okay, click on continue. So after this code, now the transaction will go successfully. As you can see that we already have a transaction receipt before us. Okay, you can see that international wire transfer will take whatever, now this is the sender information and this is the receiver information, the receiver bank as well, and this is just a basic transaction receipt. Okay, so you can just click on home to go back and you can see that the amount has actually been deducted from the main balance. Okay, so let me go back to the admin dashboard and let me show you some few things before we go ahead and install the script from start. Okay, so right here I have the general settings. The general settings is the place that you are going to set up almost all of the parameters that will make the website work. Okay, so this right here is the back name, the email address. Mind you have to create an email from your cPanel email section. Okay, create an email, grab it and update with this email right here. You can input the phone number, the routing number, whatever, the coloring and stuff like that. Okay, so you can just fill up all these stuffs and then click on update settings, as well as the logo, the site icon, and this right here is also the chat code. So you can sign up with TDO or Talk2 and grab your code. You can keep that right here and click on update code, and the settings will be updated. Okay, so moving on, I'll go over the admin settings. You can set all the parameters, the admin email, and you can update the admin password as well. So right here it says wallet settings. So this wallet settings, you're gonna input the wallet name, the wallet code. For example, Bitcoin, you input Bitcoin right here. Right here you input BTC. Okay, that is the wallet code. Okay, now right here you input the wallet address. If you want a barcode, you can select yes. If you don't, you can select no, and then here you can input your admin password and click on add wallet for you to add that particular wallet. Okay, now these are the wallets that is added already. You can see them right here on the list. So you can delete anyone, you can as well edit anyone. Okay, so let's go to the next thing which I have here. Here you have new account. So from the admin section you can as well create a new account, as well as from the front end. Okay, so right here if you want to create a new account from the admin, you click on new account and you go ahead and fill up these details right here and you click create account. Okay, so basically that is all what you need to know about this admin dashboard right here. So I'm going to go over to my cPanel and I will show you how to install this script. Okay, right here I'm already logged into my cPanel account. If you don't know how I got here, you're going to buy a domain name and buy a cPanel hosting. Okay, so you buy a cPanel hosting and you buy a domain name. If you don't know where to get that, I'm going to leave some links in the description of this video so you can follow those links and you can get yours as well. Okay, so right here I'm already logged into my cPanel, and then the first thing I'm going to do is to click on file manager. Okay, so click on file manager and go to public_html. So you can see this public_html. I already have contents right over here. So that is the reason why I've created a subdomain. Okay, before I started this video, before I started this recording, okay, I've already created a subdomain, which is right here. I see that make.iwebdev.com.ng. So I've already uploaded the script right here because I don't want to waste time on this video. Okay, so if you're doing this with me, just go to your cPanel, go to your file manager, open your public_html, and you can just click on upload. So click on upload, and then you're going to drag and drop the script, or maybe click on this select file and you're going to drop the script right here. Okay, for example, I have the script right here. So if I want to upload the script right here now, I'll just drag and drop the script. Okay, and you can see I already have the file. That is why it's telling me to, overwrite the old file. I'm gonna say no. Okay, so but for your sake, you're just going to drag and drop the script, or maybe click select file and select script to upload the script. Okay, so if you need access to the script, just contact me and you can get the script from me. Okay, so right here I have already uploaded the script, and I'm just going to right click on it and select extract. So when I select extract, click on extract once more to extract the contents of the zip file. Okay, so I'll click on close. So right here you can see the extracted content right here. So right now I can just delete the original contents. I'm gonna select that and I'll permanently delete that. Okay, so right here, if I open the extracted folder, you can see the content of the website. Okay, so I'm going to click on select all, and I'm going to click on move, and I will remove the name of the folder so I can be able to move it directly to this part. Okay, so I'm going to click on move files. So all the files have been moved, and I'll just click on up one level, and this right here is the empty folder. Okay, I'll just go ahead and delete that. Okay, so right now these are the files I need to configure to have my website up and running. All right, so I'll go back to my cPanel and quickly do something. Okay, I'll quickly create a database and create a database user and link the user to the database. Okay, so I'm going to do that with the help of the MySQL database user. So click on that, and then you can now type the name of the database you're trying to make. This is the name of the database. I click on next step. So you're going to type the username. Okay, so I'll choose to use the same thing for easy flow. All right, so now you have to input the password. Okay, so I will input the password. Okay, I have a password mismatch. All right, so I'm going to click on create user. So after that, you're going to have to approve all the privileges. Okay, so I'll click here to grant all the privileges at once, and I'll click on make changes. Just by doing this, I've created the database user, and I've granted all the privileges to the user to manage the database. Okay, so right here I'll need all these parameters. You can see this is the user and this is the database name as well, and since both of them are the same thing, what will I do? I'll just copy only one of them. Okay, so I'll just copy this and I'll go back to my file manager. Right here you can see I have this the website content. Okay, so I'm just going to right click on the .env file. You can see the .env file right here. So peradventure you did not see this .env file, you're going to click on the settings button right there and make sure you have this show hidden files selected. Okay, show hidden files, and then you click on save. Okay, now I'm going to right click on the .env file and I'm going to click on edit. So when you click on edit right there, just scroll down a little bit and you're going to see the database section right here. So this right here is the database name. I'm just going to highlight that and paste what I just copied, and then this is the database username as well. Since they are the same thing, I'm just going to paste the same thing, and this is my password. Okay, so my password is just the same thing. I'm going to click on save changes right here. So there are some things that you need to take note about when setting up the script. Okay, So going back, I have a readme.txt file right here. Let me quickly open this file and let's see. So I have some steps to follow right here. Step 1, upload the whatever file. Step 2, create the database, which we have just done right now. Step 3, update the .env file, which we have done right now, but we have not actually done this one right here. It says also enter your exact website URL on the line 29. Okay, so let's go back to the .env file, and you can see this is the line 29 right here. Okay, so I'm just going to enter the correct URL. Okay, so right here, if you're installing this script, you're gonna just change right here. Okay, you're gonna leave this /home just as it is. Okay, so just change this right there. So in my situation, I'm just going to change the render here to make. Okay, and I'll click on save changes. So when I've done that, let's go back to the readme.txt file. The next step is import the SQL file. So let's go over to the cPanel home right here. Click on cPanel icon and let's go to the PHP my admin. You can see that the databases section. So click on the PHP my admin. When you click on the PHP my admin, I have a lot of databases, so I'm just going to look for the one I created just now, and you can see this is it right here. Okay, it's actually empty right now. Okay, so let's just click on import and click on choose files. So when I do that, I'm going to trace the file. Okay, so I have this. So this right here is the SQL file that I need to import into my database, okay, to form all the database tables and relationship. Okay, so let's just click on open and then scroll down and click on import. When you've done that, just go over to your readme.txt file. Let's continue with the steps. Now go to app /controllers/license.php. okay, so let's just look at that. Okay, let's go to the app, let's go to the controllers, and this right here is the license.php. Right click and edit that. Okay, so right here you can see, let's go back to the readme file. Okay, so this says go to this and edit line 30 with your exact website domain. So line 30 is actually this one right here. Okay, so it says we should update this line with our correct website domain name. Okay, so right now the only change I am to make right here is just this. But if you're watching this video, if you're following this video to build your own website, you're gonna change all of these, okay, to your unique website domain name. Okay, so when you've done this, just go ahead and click save changes. Now let's go back to the readme file I have over there. This says go to index.php and edit the link this okay, so let's just go to the index.php, and that is at the root of the website. So if I go back all the way to the root of the website, you can see the index.php right here. I'm going to edit that. Right click and edit, and you can see it's just a redirection file. Okay, this is just a redirection file that states that whenever someone goes to your domain name .com, .net, .org or .whatever, so it's going to redirect them forward to /home right here. Okay, so you're just going to change your domain name right here. Be mindful of the /home. You're just going to leave this the way it is. Change only your domain name right here. Okay, so in my situation, I'm just going to change the render to make. Okay, and I'm going to click on save changes. So let me quickly show you one more thing in the PHP my admin right here. So when you go to the database you just imported, okay, so go over to the admin section, and I'll be leaving the default admin login details in the readme file. Okay, as you can see, this right here is the default admin login path. So you type in your domain name right here, /home /admin, and right here also I have the admin default username and default password. So if you want to change the admin details right there, just go to your PHP My Admin, click on the database that you just created and click on the CI admin. Okay, so when you click on the CI admin, you're going to see the admin account right here. Just click on edit, and then you can see the username right here. You can edit that to whatever you want. You can see the admin email. You can as well edit that to whatever you want. This right here is your admin password. If you want to edit this admin password, you're gonna select, just click on this field right here, and you're gonna select encrypt. Okay, select encrypt, and right here you're gonna type out whatever password you need your website to have. Okay, so type it out and scroll down, click on go. So that's it, guys. Make sure you're working with the readme file, because the readme file has every content that you want to be implementing. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. It's already more than 10 minutes and I'm out of time. Okay, so if you have any question in between the video, leave it in the comment section below. If you like the video as well, give it a thumbs up, and if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload another video. Okay, so I'm gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.